Today we're gonna make a traditional Chinese pastry called sweetened red bean paste pastry. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Flour, sugar, butter, and most important, sweetened red bean paste. First, let's make the oil dough. A little over 1.5 cup of flour, 6 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons of water. Now we need to mix it with dough hook. I just forgot to add sugar to it, so it's not too late. Now let's turn up the speed a little bit. Now we can see this is very soft, and then after you touch it, you can feel a little bit butter on your hand. That means it is ready. Let's put it aside. Let's make the second dough. I call it dry dough. 1/3 cup of the flour, 7 tablespoons of butter. Now let's mix it. I'm gonna put some pink food color in it. While the dry dough is mixing, let's divide the oil dough evenly to little balls. I like to make my little balls this size. Now we can see this dry dough is soft, but when you squeeze it, doesn't fall apart. And you can see there's some butter left on your hand after touching it. So this is done. Here's the dry dough. Let's divide it into little balls like this one. Take a little oil dough. You can see it's very soft right now after resting. Make it bigger and take one of the dry dough and put inside here. Don't forget to cover it after you take things out of it from there. Now we have the dry dough and oil dough together as one piece. Let's go ahead and make it flat. Be careful, don't make the oil dough outside break. Make it like this is done, and let's go ahead and roll it. While the dough is resting, let's make the filling. Use the sweetened red bean paste, make it into a little ball, same size as before. Next step, we're gonna make the skin of the dessert. Take one of this. Let's use the rolling pin to make it bigger. Use this side where the two end is as the inside, so you have a nice, beautiful surface when you finish. Let's take one filling and put it inside here. Carefully close it like this, like a nice round shape. Now let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now we're gonna decorate this pastry, and then it will look like a flower. Cut the edge into 5 different pieces. Don't cut into the center. Now let's put these 2 edges together as a flower. And now you got a flower. We need this yolk for its color to be the center of our flower. Now let's put the yolk in the center of our flowers. Let's go put in the oven for 20 minutes. Here's the dessert. It looks really good. Thank you for baking with me today. I hope you like this dessert, and I will see you next time. Bye!